Then click import. Finally, let's check the live preview. As you can see, everything looks clean, professional, and attractive. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you already understand the basic tools of Elementor. Now in this second part, we will clearly understand Elementor advanced options. So before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos. So let's start with animations. First of all, click on the widget you want to animate. For example, I select this heading. Now click on the advanced tab and scroll down slowly. Find motion effects. After that, click on and now click on entrance animation. Here you will see many animation styles like fade, slide, zoom, bounce, and so. Just select one animation that looks good. After selecting, don't rush. Always check the live preview and see. If it doesn't look good, simply change it. Now let's understand transform option. Transform option allows you to move a widget slightly, make it bigger or smaller, and rotate it gently. This option is very easy. Just increase or decrease the values slowly and watch the live preview. Now click on the background option. Here you have three simple options. Classic color. Use this when you want a single background color. Gradient. This uses two colors together smoothly, very useful for modern designs. And the next option is border. Here you can control border type like solid, dashed, and so. Border color, border width, and border radius for rounded corners, and box shadow to create depth. Small border changes make a website look professional instead of flat. Now let's talk about the mask option. Mask changes the shape of your image or section. You can adjust mask type, mask size, mask position, and mask repeat also. Beginners don't need to master this now. Just try and see how it works using live preview. Responsive option. This is one of the most important option. If you want a widget to hide on mobile, tablet, or desktop, select the widget, go to responsive option, and check the device you want to hide it on. For example, now this heading is hidden on mobile, and after uncheck, now it is available on mobile. This helps your website look clean on every device. Now you see attribute and custom CSS option. These options are for Elementor Pro users. Since we are using the free version, we will skip them. We will cover them later in the Pro course step by step. Now let me show you some super useful tricks. To duplicate a widget, right click on column and click on duplicate. To copy and paste a widget somewhere else, right click on column, copy widget, and go to another column and right click. Now paste it here. If you accidentally delete something, just press Ctrl plus Z and it will come back. Elementor is very beginner friendly. Now let's talk about the folder icon next to the plus icon. This is the Elementor library where you get ready-made templates. Most of these are pro, so we will close it. Instead, we will use free templates since we are already installed Templately in class 2. Click on Templately, search according to your website needs. Use templates with starter written on them. Click on any blog. It may ask you to log in. Just create a free account and log in. Then click import and within seconds the blog will be added. Now you can easily change text, buttons, color, text, and basically customize everything you way. Finally, let's check the live preview. As you can see, everything looks clean, professional, and attractive. And we achieve this using simple options, not complex coding. In the next video, we will move one step closer to building a complete attractive website, so make sure you don't miss it. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and trust me, Elementor gets easier and more fun with time. See you in the next video.